So let's get through some of the big muscles. So we covered all of this. Let's just go, this is very, very superficial, so I'd rather get straight to the point. So here we go, let's name it. If I circle around the eye, I orbit around the eye, it's orbicularis oculi. Hey, no lie. I get two eye. Sorry, I apologize. It's kind of late in the evening, as you can tell. So we have orbicularis oculi. And if I orbit around the eye, I probably orbit around the mouth, so orbicularis oris. And then if I touch the nose, I call it nasalis. If I lift the lip, right, lip is labii. So I have labia, these are the labia. So if I lift the lip, it's called labii levator, because that's the action. Levator, labii superioris, because it's above. Let's write that out so that you guys can see the pattern. Levator, right, that was the action. Labii is the origin. And then superioris was the anatomical direction. Right? Levator, labii, superioris. If I have one that elevates from above, probably have one that does the opposite. It depresses, the same thing, the lip, but it's from below, so I just call it inferioris. Really easy. I have zygomaticus minor, zygomaticus major. Why are they called zygomaticus? Because they touch the zygomatic bone, which is the cheekbone, right? Buccinator, the trumpet ear, and then sternocleidomastoid originates in the sternum and the clavicle, attaches to the mastoid process. And then we'll get through some of these, like the masseter and the muscles for mastication, but that's pretty much the gist of it. Platysma, platypus. Platy means flat. Mental, right? Mental is referring to the chin, right? Mentalis. So we went over some of these. Frontalis, right? This is occipital frontalis. If you break them up, it's frontalis and occipitalis. And then we have this thing on the side right here, temporalis. Right? Procera and corrugator supercilii. How I remember it is, are you pro serious? If you're a pro surfer, you're super serious, right? No, I'm super silly. So there's two. Corrugated roofing is when there's that jagged roofing. A lot of times it's tin, sometimes it's like green plastic, but it's corrugated. It has ruffles, have ridges. Okay, it has these ridges on it. Okay, and it's corrugated roofing. So when you make that in between your eyes, it's because the corrugator supercilii. And then Procera. So these two actually help to wrinkle the eyebrows and the nose in the center area. So I think we caught everything that was big. Risorius really makes you say really, right? It's kind of like the smile.